crazy.
To use their keen noses to seek out truffles, but they don't desire to eat them. When they dig out a truffle, they get a doggy treat.
Wait a minute. I don't think this is recording. Yes, it is. Never mind.
Has turned into a bonanza. They may not know how much truffles are worth, but pleasing their owners is priceless.
They are very happy because they understand that you are happy. They want that you are happy.
Una volta ho fatto le gioie della mia vita.
The Lagotto's well-honed nose has made it a staple with Italian truffle hunters for generations. Recently, the rest of the world has gotten to know the Lagotto as a family pet.
The Lagotto is also a great family dog. They have a strong affinity for children.
This is a very versatile dog, but it will do better with space to roam.
This is a breed that has a high propensity for digging, so either supervise them or give them a special little digging pit, like a sandbox for kids.
Like the poodle, the Lagotto has a non-shedding coat that must be cut regularly.
You need to keep them brushed because you do need to keep the coat hermetic.
This is generally considered a healthy and robust dog, but there are problems with hip dysplasia and epilepsy among some breeding lines.
Uh-oh.
This bit me.
Well, Luna does that too when I play with her.
There you go.
Grandma's belly.
The Lagotto Roman
No, that's too close.
space to run and dig. It's generally healthy, though
Scratch
some
me that
breeding lines
time.
have issues.
I got a puncture wound.
Lagotto
Say bye.
They're an easy dog to train and do